Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the geometry dash not opening in iOS 17. It's basically the same thing for geometry dash lite and the paid geometry dash. So if you appreciate all of my effort, make sure you hit the like button on this video and hit the subscribe button. So if it's not opening, geometry dash for some reason is not opening for you, as you can see, it's working for me. There's a few things you can actually do to fix it. So again, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have the latest version of iOS. So you want to go to your settings, you want to go down to general, and you want to click on software update. If you have beta updates, you can click off. I encourage you to have the normal update if you want to have geometry dash fixed when you have it not fixed, when you have some issues with it. Then you want to click on iPhone storage right here, and you want to search up geometry dash. So swipe up, search geometry, here it is, and you want to click the lite version or the original version, and you want to offload the app and then reinstall it. This will reset some of the settings and can help. Next thing you can do is go over here, click on transfer, data, reset, and just reset your network settings. If this doesn't help, what you want to make sure is when you go to the App Store, you want to make sure you have the latest version of Geometry Dash. So make sure there's no update option. If there is, just update it. And another thing you can do is just updating the app. That's most of the things you can do. If you're still having the issue after you've tried all of them, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to help you out. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If I did help you out, give me a like. See you next one.